Welcome to Pure Chart Trading. Are you sick and tired of trading content creators on social media flexing fake profit screenshots and rented cars? Are you done watching 20-year-old mentors who supposedly have a perfect life thanks to trading? If that is the case, why are they trying to sell you their strategy or paid signals when they do not even need your money at all? I am here to show you real trading, no flexing and no holy grail that does not exist anyway. Let's take a look at the first example of the day. If you already know me, you will know exactly what I am waiting for right now. You are absolutely right, I am waiting for a clear move and a break of structure. My system works on all time frames. Whether you use a 5-minute or a 1-hour time frame, it works exactly the same everywhere. Do you see what I see? The price looks like it has no more strength to go higher, and the break of structure tells me to look for a short trade. So, I will mark everything clearly and cleanly, and wait for a pullback into my golden zone. Now watch closely how I use the Fibonacci tool so you know exactly how to mark the zone. If you do not have it marked correctly, you will have nothing to lean on and you will not be able to find the right entry. You can see how I adjusted it based on what the price is doing. Wait for a retest of the golden zone. Absolutely do not enter the trade early. We have established rules and we need to stick to them no matter what happens. This is exactly what I was looking for. The price pulled back, and for me the strongest signal is that no candle closed with its body inside the golden zone. It just wicked into it, and at that exact moment, it tried to bounce. Now is the time I can enter the trade, so I will set a 1% risk and a 2% reward, and we will see the result right away. While we wait for the outcome, go ahead and ask me a question in the comments. If your question catches my attention, I will definitely answer it. I read all the comments. Did you see me use some kind of special magic trick? I used nothing but pure price action, and that is exactly what I will be teaching you on this channel from morning to night, and even through the night if you are interested. If you want to trade just like this, go ahead and watch my other videos too, and I believe you will learn it quickly and easily. You do not need any nonsense and you do not need any paid signals. I have 3 more trade examples ready for today, so let's go check them out together. Yes, exactly. I always wait first for a clear price movement that creates a break of structure so I can have a clear view of where my trade will be targeted. What do you personally think about this style of trading? Even though the market looks like it wants to keep going up at first glance, do not be fooled. Price will not keep going up forever, and that is something I have learned over my years of trading. I see a clear move and a break of structure, so I will mark everything out so I know exactly where my golden zone is, and I will wait for a price pullback and a clean confirmation. Pay close attention to exactly how I use the Fibonacci tool. As you can see, the price pulled back and just wicked into my golden zone again. No candle body closed inside the zone, and this is a clear signal for me to definitely enter the trade. I always trade a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and if you want to get high quality results in the long run, I recommend you never change this setting. You can watch my videos regularly on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. If you want to see more of these trades right now, you can find other videos on my channel, and they are also organized into playlists based on the strategy that suits you best. How did you like this trade? I'm not going to tell you any fairy tales, I'm not going to show you any Lamborghinis, and I am not going to show you any fake payouts or profit screenshots. The 2 strategies I teach have a long-term win rate between 55% and 65%, and in the real world of trading, this number is highly profitable. Nobody will teach you a strategy with a 90% win rate because that does not exist and it never will. I have 2 more trade examples ready for you guys, so let's get right into it and I will wrap it up at the end of the video like I always do. I use the exact same process every single time. First, I have to wait for a clear price impulse and a break of structure. I see a break of structure, and now I know what to use to find my golden zone. So, I will mark the break of structure and use the Fibonacci tool to plot my golden zone. After that, all that is left to do is wait for a price pullback and confirmation. Do you know exactly how I find my golden zone using the Fibonacci tool? This is exactly the kind of reaction I want to see every single time. Look at the detail of how precisely the candles react the moment the price hits the golden zone. I definitely want to jump into this trade, so I will set a 1% risk and a 2% reward, and I will wait to see what the outcome of this trade will be. If you would be interested in me making a 1-hour video where I break down my strategy to every single last detail, let me know in the comments. I will explain it completely step by step in that video if you want. Do you think this stop loss was my mistake? Did I do something wrong? Not at all. It is a completely normal, healthy part of the trading process, and losses are always part of the game. You cannot judge a strategy based on a single bad trade. Sometimes you might even lose 6 times in a row. Will you get angry and start changing your strategy then? If you do that, you will just keep running in circles forever. I have one more trade example for today, so let's get into it, and I will do the calculations at the end of the video. Do you know exactly what I am waiting for right now? Go ahead and write it in the comments so I know if I have taught you anything at all. Do not forget that I upload new videos regularly 3 times every single week. At this moment, I can mark the break of structure. As always, look at the detail of exactly how I use the Fibonacci tool and what precisely I am marking on my chart. It does not matter if you are on a 5-minute time frame or a 4-hour time frame, my system works exactly the same. Do you see how the price just touched my golden zone and immediately printed a clear green candle? For me, that means only one thing. I am definitely entering the trade. I always use a 1% risk and a 2% reward. Have you noticed in my videos that I always set my SL beyond the entire Fibonacci tool? I always do it this way because it is absolutely necessary to have your SL determined by something that makes sense, rather than just blindly guessing where your SL should roughly be. What do you think the outcome of our final trade example for today will be? Now stop right there and take a really good look at that chart. If you had placed your stop loss blindly just a little bit below the entry, the price would have probably stopped you out first before moving in the direction you wanted. If you want to trade like this too, go check out my other videos and you will learn it pretty easily. Now we can calculate what kind of result we achieved today. 3 trades hit TP and 1 trade hit SL, so we would be in a total profit of 5% of our capital. If you liked the video and want to learn exactly this style of trading, make sure to watch all my videos. Subscribe.